Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can show followers on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, you got to open Facebook and log into your account. And then you got to click on the three horizontal lines at the top left. Here, you got to scroll down, click on settings and privacy. And then you'll be able to see a drop down. You got to click on settings from it. And then you got to scroll down till you go to the bottom and you'll be able to see an option that would say followers and public content right beneath audience and visibility. Click on it and then you'll be able to see who can see your followers on your profile. You can see that it is set on only me. You can click on it and then simply select public and then you got to click on the save button. Then you got to make sure that you do have followers. And if you do have followers, you got to click on profile here at the bottom right and then click on the pencil icon at the top. Here, you'll be able to see a followers option if you do have followers. Right now, I don't really have any followers, but if you do have, you'll be able to see a pencil icon right next to the followers option. And then you'll be able to see a drop down. Simply click on it and select public, click on done, and your followers will be public after that. So that is basically how you can show followers on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.